I am here and I'm doing another DIY and I don't know, I just wanted to do it. So I found some stuff that just looked normally weird. So my first thing is a headband from Ardene's. I got it in a special box thing. And so I'm going to be doing the DIY about it, and I have a ruler just in case. Obviously, I don't even know why I have a ruler right now, and then I have a pencil. And then I have glitter. And I have tacky glue and just some tape just in case. And because I'm going to be doing a DIY on my shoes too, my Vans, my blue Vans. And so first I'm just going to be cutting off the tag on the headband. And then I'm going to be cutting the little weird thing that's on it. Whatever these little thingies are called on it or whatever. So I'm going to be cutting it off first, and then I'm going to be taking it off. So since I have that first done, I need to put a piece of paper here. I promised my dad I wouldn't ruin this perfectly nice thing. Okay, so I'm going to be using, my tape, and then I'm going to be taping the paper down. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the glitter. Not the glitter, the tape. I meant the glue. And I'm going to be gluing the whole thing, except the insides, because I want that normally just the color it is, because I don't want glitter everywhere in my hair. And I don't want to be that crazy to let myself do that. So 2 minutes in. That's a nice intro. So I found an editor on my phone, and it was naturally just for videos. So that's a really good thing. I don't have to download any things on it, but so that's all done. I have it glued down, taped down. So I'm gonna now be using it. Okay, it's already out. Okay, so I'm just gonna be using the glue. And I'm just gonna be doing it in a nice way, sort of moving it around so all the glitter can want to go on it and not show the nasty color it is, because it wouldn't suit my hair and I'm not that normal, so I'd really love it if it had a better part of it in there. So that's why I'm using glitter with it, because I do not want it to be normally brown, because, well, I'm not racist, but I really would like it if it had a girlier sense into it, because it's obviously from Ardene's, and Ardene's is really girly. And it's okay if you accidentally get glue in between the two parts of it. So first I'm going to just be doing the first half. And I'm going to be using different colors. And it doesn't really matter what colors, because I got them mixing. And I borrowed it from my sister. So you're going to want to hold it from the inside and then lightly sprinkle it. Like lightly. Or just literally do it my way, and just because like nothing was coming out. So it's like rather hurry it up. Okay, probably be best if I taped it down too. Would have been an easier way. I just rather do that. And then with the different colors, let's switch it up. To green. I'm just going to be using it with the blue, and then I'm going to use it at an angle on this side, because you can't just have it all like that. And then so I got this first half, which is really messed up. I have no idea why. I should have painted it on first, but I didn't do that. So now I have to do this side, and I don't know. I don't even know how it's gonna turn out. And I'm getting all the glitter on the table. Honestly, if I was a better person, then obviously I'd be better at this, but I'm not. So I'm gonna let that sit on like pieces of paper. Okay. So next on to the other part of the DIY. I have a pink selfie stick, and I don't really like the color pink because it looks plain, and I don't like, cause like if your phone is like this, and then they'll obviously see the pink. So I'm gonna be trying to use it, and I'm gonna be rather gluing it around the surface. And it's okay if you get your hands dirty. It's tacky glue, and I'm pretty sure it's washable. And I'm pretty sure it's washable, so I just can't get the wires wet. So I'm going to be wrapping that around it. And I'm going to be starting on with the glitter, well, the glue. And since there's a lot down here, I can just roll it. So I'm going to first doing the one side. And this is probably best if you just leave it overnight. Because, like, you don't want to use it right away. Rather, so, because it's like, it's going to get everywhere and it's going to get really messy. You wouldn't want that. Plus, plain pink isn't really well. So, first I have the part of the glue, and I'm going to put it on this side. And I'm going to hold the wire, and I'm going to rather go like just randomly roll it. So, that didn't really go up as I planned. But see, there's another part to that. And then I'm going to use more glue and then do the other parts. So all sides. So it's going to be all perfect and pretty in some way. It looks really weird right now. But oh well. At least I'm doing a DIY that I thought of. I never thought of using my selfie stick as like a DIY. So I'm just gonna add some more random color sprinkles. And I'm gonna rather group them in so it's easier for my selfie stick to get rolled onto it. And I should probably do that. So it didn't really work because it's obviously sideways, and so it's probably best if I lightly just dab some on it. And that's totally lightly. It's okay. So I'll have to hurry again, and okay, that shall work because it's not a side. So let's just add some glue. So okay, there we go. And now I can just nicely go like that and just get some of the glitter. And get this side again because it's like it wasn't working. So now I just have to do one more side, and that's it, and then I'm done. So I will be done with this part of the DIY because I have to do my Vans, but I'll do it in another video because I'm almost running out of time. So I shall quickly just... It would be best if you just let your selfie stick rest out for the night instead of using it right away because you really don't want your hands to be full of glitter, and on your phone too. That would be a bad mistake. Plus this one extends, so once it'd be done, it would be good to use. And if it's not dry and the next day, then wait another day because it's a weekend and obviously it wouldn't matter. So I will let that sit down on a piece of paper again from the other one. And then I am going to do the other ones in the next video. Bye! I'll see you part 2.